Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you guys something super cool, which is how you can set up an automation which essentially adds everyone automatically directly to your school community. This will save you a lot of time and make things a lot smoother with your onboarding. And there's a few reasons why this is good to do, because for starters, they'll plug directly within your CRM. So you already have that information. Right now, Skool really struggles with getting people added to your CRM. Yes, you have a contact list, but that contact list is more or less maintained there. You can export it, but this way you can contain it all directly within Go High Level, which means better tracking on your metrics and all your KPIs. And so what I wanted to show you today is I have this No Code Nation. I tested it in my last video, which was you can speak with AI to get free instant access to the Skool community. And one of the things, I don't know if you knew this, but on your sites within your funnel, you can click on stats and see your opt-in rate. And so I've tried both opt-in rates using the AI voice agent, and I've also tried opt-in rates with his, which is just the exact same thing, except it doesn't call you. It's just you opt in and then it puts you into some automated flow, and the conversion rates are significantly higher. Like I'm talking from 14% to 60%. And the reason for this, I think, is because having a phone call at this point is maybe too much of a commitment to someone who's just looking to opt in for a free offer. So we're going to be changing that today. We're going to go back to a regular form, and then we are also going to be building out the make automation, which automatically adds people to your Skool community. So this is my funnel. You're going to need a form. So we're just going to change the form. To do that, you come into sites, forms. So essentially, I'm going to grab first name, last name, email, and phone number, and then just change the action to join now. And that's pretty much it. The rest we can leave the same. We're going to hit save, and we're going to back out of here. Now we have that new member form that's created. Now we can go back into our funnel, back to the Skool community funnel. And I actually already have it open, so I can just come in here and I'm just going to refresh so I can find that form. So we'll choose that new form, Skool new member. So you can see right here, join No Code Nation. You get free instant access, input your information. You join now. You got a free partnership call, a little bit of some testimonials, free, and then the Calendly link at the bottom. We're going to hit save. We're going to publish that. And we'll just back out. And then step number 2 is just going to be my calendar if someone's looking for some one-on-one help. So just like that, super clean, perfect. We'll hit save, we'll publish it. Now both of it is live. Okay, so now we're going to set up the workflow. So essentially it's going to be, the trigger is going to be a form. So form is submitted. That form is going to be the form that we created. So Skool new member. Now we're going to update an opportunity, and we are going to create a new pipeline for this. So come into your opportunities. So the pipeline is going to be called Skool. So first we're going to have an engaged lead. So that's someone who fills out our form to get access to the community. We'll have engaged lead, premium member, partnership call, meeting, no show. I'll just keep it simple. So just those 4 for right now. We'll go back into opportunities. We can now see our new Skool setup, and we can choose that pipeline. We're going to choose the Skool pipeline. They're going to become an engaged lead. And then the opportunity source is going to be the Skool new member. Just set it to open. So this is pretty much how you have it set up. So just like that. And then we are going to do a webhook, which is going to be a post request. We'll come into make. And this is a really simple automation actually. So Skool doesn't actually have one built in, but I was able to find a free one that you could install. So this is literally it. It's a 3-step sequence. So you're going to have a webhook. Go ahead and copy that address to clipboard. We'll head back to here. We're going to paste that in. Okay, we can save the action. And then within Skool, you're going to have to make your connection. And then there's this link right here. It's an invite link. You just hit install. So I'll share that in the community. So just go to the community. You'll have access to it there. You just go ahead and hit install, and then you should be able to add it. Right, you'll see that this is here, and then you're going to want to add your group name and the group ID. Your group name is just going to be in between these 2 parentheses, so mine is No Code Nation. And then to get the ID, you're just going to pop into settings, and then you're going to turn on webhook and just copy this bad boy right here. So copy all of that. That's what you're going to need. That is your ID. Just go ahead, paste that in there. You're going to hit add afterwards. You're just going to make your connection, and then the email address we are just passing from the previous step from what they fill out in the custom form. And then I just have a break module in case there's any issues. And that's pretty much it. So super simple. And now people will automatically get invited with access to your community. You won't have to accept and approve memberships. They'll just get directly added in. So hope you got immense value out of this. And if you did, drop a subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. It allows me to keep making videos like this for free and really helps support the channel. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.